Traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we will see the questions and answers, and I will try to answer as much questions as I can. So let me start to see what we'll have today. So we have two questions just below previous video, and one is how you can contact me, and another is why trading from Excel slow when sending orders. So let me start from the simplest one, how you can contact me. So I have a Twitter profile. You can always follow me or send me a message, etc. It's the name of my website is the same as my Twitter profile. Again, on the website, just below each article, you can see my bio, and there you see my email address, so you can send mail directly this way. And of course, if you want to ask me questions related to expert advice development, one of my developers will answer on your question. If you visit fxigor.com, there is a fxigor.com/order page. You will see the contact form, and there you can ask any question that you have. So this is the question number one. So let me start to see question number two. Why is trading from Excel slow when sending orders? Is there a solution to this? Unfortunately, there is no solution. I tried a lot of things to do. I even use on very strong server with 24 CPU, very strong processor, and put the Excel there and try a lot of things before, and I realize Excel is not the place where you should send orders to your MetaTrader 4 or 5 or any platform. The best way is to make a code for MetaTrader 4 or 5 and to use expert advisors, indicators, etc. Unfortunately, I didn't find solution, but this is not the only possibility. Maybe there is some possibility, and if I find out, I will put it on the web, a video special for that. Thank you for your question. Question number three, this is from email, remember. What are the advantages or disadvantages of proprietary trading compared to using a regulated broker for forex trading? This question was Hamad. So this is the really tough question, but what I want to tell you is the best answer for this question is you should use both. Why? I will try to describe a little bit this question. I need to explain next time in some whole video, but at this time what I can tell you is the best answer is you should have both accounts, or you should have if you're a profitable trader and you took some money from prop companies, you can invest in other funded accounts. Part of money you should put in your pocket, and part of the money you should put in some regulated brokerage company. You know that I promote on my website. I have a table there of the best brokerage companies, regulated companies that very follows the strict rules. All of them have financial conduct authority from the UK and all important regulated bodies there, and you know that I always follow that regulated brokerage companies, and I always have a brokerage account for trading, and I will tell you why. The first thing is, if you trade for your own account, forex broker account, you can risk 1% or 2% of your equity. And if you are a good trader, sometimes maybe you make a drawdown of 20% in some moment after a few years. But if you're a good trader, you will increase your portfolio in the way that you can risk, like I said, 1 or 2%, one position and only one per time. If you do that in prop company, you will lose very soon, because as you know, you have a 10% maximum drawdown, and during the trading you will have several positions in a row losing strikes. It's normal thing. Believe me, I found that the best traders that you can believe, and when we took their accounts for last 20 years, they had a 15% of the drawdown when the risks, for example, maximum 1% per the time. So it's normal thing. And in that case, you need to risk smaller. You need to risk, 0.25%, maybe 0.5 at most, and this is it. And in that case, if you trade like that, you can be profitable if you have a good risk management, of course, strategy. So what I want to tell you should always have two of them. The first, because you can risk more in your own account. And the second thing, we don't know what will happen in the market related to prop company. Maybe they will start some strictly regulation one day. Something will happen, and then you will have a problem if you don't have your personal account and a personal history, etc., etc. So try always not to put all eggs in one basket. As you know, this channel is not investment advice channel, as you know, but what I can tell you from common sense is that you always need to be cautious. You need to think about risks, and it's a good thing if you have an prop and forex brokerage account. But always try to choose a regulated broker. I hope that this answer is good. So let me see the question number 4. Did you make expert advisor that can make a lot of money? And I have another question. I don't know the name of the person. Can an expert advisor really make you rich? So the first question is from Alex. Anyway, what I want to tell you, I'm developing with my team and people I think from 2011 expert advice, and as you can see, it's more than 13 years, I think. And if you develop expert advice like 13 years, you know one thing. It's very hard to develop one expert advisor that can make. And I didn't succeed in that. And I don't want to succeed in that because I know one truth. And the truth is that one expert advisor cannot be enough. What I want to tell you is, if you create a trend trading strategy, your expert advisor will work very bad during the mean reversion or choppy market. If you develop mean reversion strategy, your strategy will work poor during the strong trends. If you try to only buy on support and sell on resistance, you will have problem when we have a strong trend, and opposite. So as you can see, you need to have a lot of expertise to create portfolio of expert advice, and then try to use that each expert advisor will reduce the maximum drawdown and in the same time increase your profitability. And then if you make combination of expert advisors, then you can maybe create some profitable strategies. So the answer is, I didn't find one expert advisor is good, but I found some combination of expert advisors that they can help. Of course, I still think that manual trading is a little bit better than expert advisor only using expert advisors, because sometimes you calculate your profit target, but you miss for a couple pips, and you need to close at your expert advisor in that case. So you need to create very, very good rules for expert advisor, complicated rules, or you need to be ready to be nimble and to be ready to close and monitor your trades, because expert advisors will make mistakes. Of course, on the long positions and swing trades, expert advisors are much, much better, and they really can be good. But like I said, there's no guarantee, and in my personal experience, you need to use a combination of expertise. Let me go to the question number 5. I don't know the name of the person. I think it's a Gary. But the question was, which American broker shows US shares from MT4? So what I know that American brokers that offer good stocks for trading, US shares for trading, are TD Ameritrade and Interactive Brokers. I think that other brokerage companies like FXCM, Rwanda offer something similar too, but these two brokers I tried before. But I live in Europe, I use different brokerage companies, and because of taxes and everything, I use European brokerage companies. So this is something that I tested, I promoted in the past them, and I remember that they offer really good list of US shares if you are forex trader in America. So let me go to the question number 6. The same person, I'm missing those options for the stocks. I only have forex. So I will just repeat the previous question, and just to add that that there are a lot of brokerage companies that offer additional special accounts for stocks or something like that. I know from FX Pro, for example, in Europe, you can use it. And if you are Gary from US, in previous question, I just put a few names. The most important thing is that the traders should specialize, in a couple of forex pairs, on the precious metals, or stocks, or indices, or a couple of them. But it's very hard to trade, 5, 6 different assets, and it's good when you specialize. So whatever trader you are, try to specialize in couple assets, and I hope that will help. I wish you good luck. So question number 7, we will call this trader looks. I usually trade forex. So when I trade on the MT4, MT5 trade, in the top left, one lot is one lot. Okay, but when I trade stocks, is the number then one share. What I want to tell you is, in MT4, MT5, you trade with lots. So it's not like when you trade in other stocks platforms, because there everything calculate in dollars, So I risk $50 to achieve $60. I have shares. I need to calculate how many shares, how many dollars, etc. But in forex platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, when you trade gold, euro dollar, British pound dollar, any forex pair, or any precious metal, any commodities, the same thing is for indices and stocks. So you will use lots. So you will, for example, buy one lot of Tesla or 2 lots of Tesla, and you need to see how price is going, what is the risk, how to calculate. And this is something that you need to test in demo account to see the risk in everything and calculate in dollars, and you will manage that very easy. But lots are very good. Even you trade the stocks. For example, you can trade 1 lot or 5 lots or 2 lots and keep that the same risk and the same buying power a long time frame, and then after a couple of months increase a little bit and increase a little bit, etc., etc. So just to repeat, if you trade stocks on forex platforms, on CFDs platforms, usually you will trade using the lots. Question number 8. I have a problem where I can add the bots to my chart, but they aren't taking any trades, any help. So I suggest that you already try to compile that expert advisor or that indicator, that expert advisor actually, because you want to make your trades. And when you test that, I'm sure that in that case you see that the compiling process is finished and there is no mistakes. So the expert advisors is working. However, expert advisor does not open a trade. So in that case, if you have that case that you cannot open the trade, usually the problem is in buy-sell rule, and you need to test. What I can recommend you to try to do is to use the visual editor, to run the expert advisor, test expert advisor visually, and see what's happened using the real ticks, and to see why the expert advisor didn't open the trade. So usually the problem is in programming code. Usually that is the problem. That can be some filters. Sometimes if you have the sign like less or greater or equals or something like that in the code, that can be huge problem there. And that buying selling rules, some mistake is made, and you need to find which mistake is there. Sometimes for buy and sell rules you can ask a ChatGPT to help you. A couple times my programmer Mark just found he found a solution using the ChatGPT, but in 80% of the time he didn't. But he just tried to see. You can do, for example, have up 3 rules to open a trade. You can delete 2 rules and try only one. Then try the other rule. They try only the third rule. And when you test, you will see which rule is the problem. So the only way to fix this problem is to check the buy and sell rules and try one rule by one rule, etc. So I hope that you will find a solution. If you have a problem to develop expert advisor, you can always go to the fxfigure.com and try our service. We're here to help you. So question number 9, which platform are they using? This was the question from my previous video about the prop companies, and what I want to tell you that I created a big page with big table. I compare more than 40 prop companies, and for each prop company I put which platform they use. Usually it's a MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, but there are proprietary prop platforms. There are some other platforms, so you can check. There is a link, red color, you see just on the screen. You can use this link to check all prop companies. And of course, if you do that from the website, just go to forex.nrs and you will see in the main navigation all prop companies link, and you will see the whole table and you can analyze that table. So the question number 10, I have developed Pine script for my strategy. Now I need to copy alerts from TradingView to MT4 account. Can you please guide me? So you can use various solutions. I tried tradersconnect.com, but you need to pay for it. I can just tell you it's good. It's working very good, and you can connect that and use that very well if you want to send signals from TradingView to MetaTrader 4 account. However, if you want some cheaper version, you can Google it. You will see a lot of scripts. You will see a lot of solutions on the internet. But only thing that I tried before was tradersconnect.com. So this is the answer on this question number 10. Question number 11. So there was one video how to calculate margin in MetaTrader, and a lot of traders just comment this video who has the time to calculate. And I didn't write that a lot in the article and the video, but I will just cover here as a special question 11, and that is you should and you could use various risk management indicators. So you just put indicator on the chart, and there you can see your margin, you can see your drawdown, you can see your risk, everything that you need. I personally use one indicator. I just put it to be for free, available for all of you. You have a link just here, Risk Management MT4 Indicator. You can download, put it on your chart and use it. And this is something that I use personally for myself if I trade on MetaTrader 4 platform. However, there are a lot of better. You have a mquel5.com website. You have on your MetaTrader platform, you see the various indicators and expert advisors. You can download and use it for this. So all kind of risk management indicators can help you in this, to measure your margin, to calculate and see everything that you need. So I think that this can be helpful. But the one thing is very important here. Using these formulas, you just need first time to realize, will you trade with micro lots, mini lots, or lot? And the first time when you figure out your risk, average risk, for example, for me it's one lot or a 5 mini lot, and then you will always use 5 mini lots when you trade, or maybe 4 mini lots, but just play a little bit up or down, and this will be that. You will not have the urgency to every time to calculate the margin and everything, because as you know, we traders, we risk 0.5, 0.2 or 1% of our equity, so usually it's small numbers. And I think this was the last question, the question number 11. So I started, as you saw, on the May 8th, today, with the questions and answers, and in the future I will try occasionally to create this kind of video just to answer your questions. So I hope that you join in this video, and of course, if I can help you, you can always contact me, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and ask for new videos, ask something that you want to know, some questions that can be very, very important, not just for me and you, for all audience related to forex trading, for brokerage companies, prop companies, trading strategies, etc. So this is it. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.